Welcome back, dear creative. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to get sound effects just like this.
Once upon a time, in a village nestled by the banks of the great Niger River, there lived a young boy named Chukwudi.
For you to use to edit your videos, your folktales, your folklores, or the stories you're trying to create for your faceless YouTube channel, click on the link in the description of this video you are currently watching, and you are going to see a link that will direct you to my DM on WhatsApp. Once you tap on it and it redirects you to my DM, I'm going to give you access to the sound effect audio file that I already have on my phone. That is this same one I used.
Onlightmusics.com